Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by pairing and confirming basic settings. Open the case next to your iPhone and accept the pairing prompt. This links the AirPods to your Apple ID. Once done, make sure firmware is current and battery is at least 50% so gestures behave consistently. You should also enable Bluetooth and confirm audio routing to the AirPods. These prerequisites prevent lag and missed gestures, and they let you customize controls and settings. Don't skip this step. Now you'll practice the core gestures so they become automatic. You press the stem once to play or pause and to answer a call. Press twice quickly for the next track and 3 times for the previous track. Press and hold toggles between active noise cancellation and transparency. Hold until you feel the haptic feedback. As you try each gesture, listen for confirmation tones and feel the click. That feedback confirms the input registered, so repeat slowly if it misses. Finish by refining volume and customization, and know a quick fix. You can swipe the stem down or up to change volume in small increments. Practice gentle, deliberate swipes. Then open Settings Bluetooth AirPods Pro 2 to assign functions or run the ear tip fit test so taps register reliably. If gestures stop working, place AirPods in the case, close it for 30 seconds, then hold the setup button about 15 seconds to reset. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.